Michael Beach with Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting. Another Manager's Minute for you today. If you're new to management and trying to figure it out, lean in and listen up. Newer managers sometimes have these counterintuitive notions about what they need to focus on and what they need to be doing. I will tell you this, that you really need to focus when you become a manager on what I call the 3 Ps. What are the 3 Ps, you might ask? It's real easy to remember this. They are people, people, and people. Could it get any easier than that? You may think I'm kidding. I'm not. At the end of the day, you look at any business anywhere on this planet, and it is just chock full of talented people. And when you get the talented people to join together, a 10 and a 10 and a 10 start working together, the total value of those 3 people is not 30. You don't add them together. Instead, you multiply them. It's 10 times 10 times 10 because they lift one another up when they're down. They motivate one another to compete. They help one another when they need help. So if you want to know what to focus on, now that you've become a manager, it's the 3 Ps. People, people, and people. See you next time.